Hi guys, so this is week one, well, it's not even the first week of our 46 Vineyard Road development. Now I took a video I think a few days ago when I collected the keys, still spending time with family, and I got some information wrong. What I like to do, what I personally like to do, however, is always to double check whatever I do, and I hate to disseminate incorrect or false information. So we're just going to go through it again. I think I got some of the measurements wrong. So what we're going to do is go through the property again after I did some replanning at home to show you what our new plans are for the property, and to show the work that's already taken place. I mean, it's only been 3-4 days. And a lot has been done. Okay, so let's start from here. So skips in. Demolition has started. As you can see, we've filled up quite a lot of places. So that's the front. It's quite an interesting one. So we've actually got the door which leads into the bathroom in here, or will be the bathroom. Anyway, so coming in, if you've seen the first video, you should be able to see now the difference, the amount of work that's been done within 3 or 4 days. So this is room one. All the walls. We've decided in the end to take all the wallpapers off, and then stick with the paint option rather than just painting over the walls. We just redo the walls because it will look nicer for longer. The problem with painting over wallpaper is that it'll be fine for a few months, maybe a year, but after that it really shows its age. Anyway, so carpets off, walls off. The bathroom, which we were going to remove, sorry, the toilet, which we were going to remove, but due to the changes, we decided we were able to keep it in the end because it's always nice to have an extra toilet. Now, the problem with old ex-council properties is that the door frames are metal, and they're not suitable. So they always have to be removed. Now, originally, I thought we can get away with getting this at 17 meters squared, because one of the rooms upstairs is only 6.5 meters squared, and we were going to knock through part of the bathroom and get it 7.5 meters squared, but obviously we still need a large communal space, which we don't have. Well, we've got a large communal space, but it's not big enough. So what I've done is I've talked to the builder, and this is where having a good contract, good builder is very, very important. You need to have a good relationship, and they need to know what they're doing. They need to be on the same page as you. Together, we went through the property, quickly worked out a plan, quickly worked out a solution, which actually is a lot better now than the original plan. So yeah, there you go. That's the kitchen. Originally, we were going to knock this through and have a large kitchen diner. I think it would have been 16 meters squared if we left the toilet, which wouldn't be big enough, and it would be 7 meters squared if we took away the toilet, which might have been fine, but only for a 5-bed. For a 6-bed, you need 18.5 meters squared, which we couldn't do. So what we're going to do instead is upstairs, knock through the original bathroom upstairs, so that the 6.5 meter room turns into a 10 meter, possibly 11 meter squared room. So now we've got 6 doubles, and what we're going to do instead is down here, leave this wall as it is, but put a doorway here, and then here would be the bathroom. That will be boarded off all the way across here, and then you'd access the boiler from the outside, or even from here actually. You just open it and walk through. That will be left as it is as well. Okay, so the kitchen, I'm pretty sure, otherwise, even though I said I wouldn't, the last two projects, I'm pretty sure this one, these are new enough, so I think I'm going to keep them and then just work with it. We'll just replace that, turn that into a electric hob or the walls. Now, so this as it stands will be 10 meters squared. What we're going to do is put fridges, under counter fridges and worktops in each room, which means that here we've got enough space to put a breakfast bar going across there, some stools, and then out there we can have the freezer. So the same freezer that we used at St Heliers, that was a really good find, and there most likely would be the vacuum cleaner, the mop. Okay, so so the new layout meant that we need to try and fit in a second bathroom somewhere. This will be the second bathroom. This originally was, I think, about 12 meters squared. This whole room, just a bit over that. We're just going to put a single shower unit in here, and then keep that second toilet, which means that you know, two bathrooms between 6 people. To have one shower, a separate toilet, and a separate bathroom is better than just having 2 bathrooms, in my opinion, anyway. This would be a decent sized double room. That should be straightforward. Got the windows, so the wall come up here, so you benefit. This room will benefit from having a large window. Should it be upstairs? So this one is now, so if you saw the original video, there was a wall here. So this used to be a bathroom. Show through here. So there used to be a doorway here. Thank you. So there used to be a doorway there, a wall there, a bathroom there, a wall there, and another room there. And then this would be 1 bedroom and 2 bedroom. Now the situation, the problem with this was that this room was 9.6 meters squared, which is just shy of the 10 meter square requirement. This bathroom was actually too big, well, biggish, and this room was too small. So instead, what we're doing is knocked through the wall. They were in bad condition anyway, as it turns out. We can extend that wall so that that room is 10 meters squared. We can put a smaller bathroom in here, large enough to be convenient and usable, but no space wasted. And then the rest of the space will be added to this bedroom so that they've got a nice, decent sized bedroom in here. Door frames have to be taken off. Oh, that's a nice loft. Didn't see that before. There you go. And this room, I think, is about 12 meters squared, 11, 12 meters squared. All the paints come off. That'll be a walk-in wardrobe, so that'll be quite handy. So now we should, these are 6 double rooms. This will be a 10 meter squared double room. This again was one of the rooms that had wallpaper. We decided again just to take all the wallpaper off and see what's underneath. So with that, downstairs there are some cracks, which is very annoying, but it could have been a lot worse. So I guess we got away lucky-ish. Always the sort of the main big concern when you're taking away wallpaper, taking off wallpaper and repainting instead. All right, so yeah, we got the keys on Friday. Today is Thursday. Work started on Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so 4 days, maybe 3 days of actual work. Pretty good so far. Alright, so hopefully that's been useful. I'll probably do another video then at the start of next week. All right, take care.